Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the ignition is in the on or accessory position so the bus is live. Next, locate the OBD Roman 2 port beneath the dash and clear any debris or panels. Plug the reader in and power it. If using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, pair with your phone and enter PIN if prompted. Once connected, open your diagnostic app and allow permissions so the app can read ECU data. You'll see a connection confirmation before scanning. Once connected, tap to run a full system scan covering engine and any supported modules like transmission or ABS. The app will list DTCs with code ID. You need to note whether codes are pending or confirmed and review freeze frame data for context. Then switch to live data to watch RPM, coolant temperature, fuel trims, and trim changes while you reproduce symptoms. This helps you link codes to behavior. Make sure to save the report or export. You should only clear codes after you've fixed the underlying issue so you can verify a true repair. After clearing, perform a short drive cycle and rescan. If the code returns, capture live data while the fault occurs and run component tests available in the app. If the reader fails to connect or returns errors, check vehicle battery voltage, confirm solid ground at the port, ensure adapter compatibility, and update reader firmware or the app. That single troubleshooting check often resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.